Hi guys, Silver for Fun here. I just want to show you this one. This is a silver bar. This is from the Australian Mint. It's 999 silver, 1 ounce. There's a queen. $1. Love that effect behind. Don't think you can pick it out on the screen, but it's almost as if it moves behind her. Like a ray of sunlight. So there we go. We've got the dragon. Chinese dragon. I don't know if it's a bit of milk spot in there, or if it's just on the case, I'm not sure. Look at the detail. I didn't realise these were going to be produced every single year. I've got last year's as well. And I've only got a couple of bars. I don't really... Well, up until now I didn't really collect bars. I've only got 2 different bars. But these are kind of nice. Have a little look at that. The detail on that bad boy. Looks a bit like the mother-in-law. Luckily she doesn't watch these videos, so I'm not going to get killed. But it does look like her. Same teeth. Actually the eyes are pretty much similar. She doesn't have a tail like that though. Right, well thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.